name is Unique Burton, and my statistics project was done on wholesale fruit prices, organic and conventional, monthly and annually for Atlanta and San Francisco in the year of 2010. My data set I got from dataset.gov, and this is my original data set. It's a list of 62 values for the year 2010 of all the fruit prices in San Francisco and Atlanta, both conventional and organic. As you can see in the data set, you see some quantitative and qualitative values for 2010, all the fruit prices for the 62 total, 31 for Atlanta, 31 for San Francisco, and the fruits. From this data set, I created 2 Excel spreadsheets with equal but separate values. San Francisco, I put in my L1 in my calculator, and Atlanta, I put in my L2. This comes up. Okay, so as you can see, San Francisco, fruit prices here. The quantitative variables I used were commodity subgroup and terminal market. And they say San Francisco, year 2010. And qualitative numerical values here. And I did the same thing for Atlanta. In my calculator, I put San Francisco values at L1, and I put Atlanta's at L2 because my hypotheses were that my H sub O was the mu of Atlanta is equal to the mu of San Francisco. And my alternative hypothesis was the mu of San Francisco is larger or greater than the mu of Atlanta. So with that being said, the question I pose is, how do wholesale fruit prices compare between Atlanta and San Francisco? I ran a statistical test called a 2-sample t-test by entering both the values for San Francisco again in L1 and Atlanta in L2, the numerical value of those fruit prices. The data values, simple random sample. The data values were listed by city. As I showed you, were split between San Francisco and Atlanta. We collected again our data from dataset.gov and collected our simple random samples by enterprises for both fruits for conventional and organic for the year 2010. There were 31 values for each, and that was my N value. Okay. With those 2 Excel spreadsheets that I showed you, I created a bar graph, not a histogram, because they have spaces in between. As you can see, on my X and Y axis, I have the annual fruit cost here and types of fruit there. Blue represents Atlanta and red San Francisco. And the reason why there are 2 of each, because it's for conventional and organic for each fruit, for the total of 31 fruit. And the price ranges from 0 to 60. Okay, so these are my data sets side by side. Again, Atlanta and San Francisco. With my hypotheses, the San Francisco fruits cost more than Atlanta. Again, my H sub O is M is equal to MS. Null hypothesis key is Atlanta, and A is for Atlanta, S is for San Francisco. My alternative hypothesis, M1, the mu of San Francisco is greater than the mu of Atlanta. Okay. So these are the values I got. My t-value, I got -90473. P-value of 0.815. Degree of freedom, 58.68. X-bar 1, 32.05. And X-bar 2, 34.32. As you can see, my p-value was greater than my alpha value of 0.05. So therefore, my conclusion for this test was that I failed to reject my null hypothesis. And with 95% confident that the mean of the difference of the mean of Atlanta and San Francisco was between -7.417 and 2.7985. Thank you for watching my video. God bless.